Hey there, Yuri here in my new apartment. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd stop in and do just a quick little video of a haul of some items that I recently got. I have some decor and organizing items that I got from Ikea and also from Target, because Target was having an amazing sale on bedding, bath, and curtains. In my last video, the apartment tour, I did say I wanted to upgrade my bedding. Also, for work coming up in December, I really wanted to get blackout curtains for my bedroom. Also got some items that have been on my wish list from Ikea, some things that have been on back order for months and months and months that I've been waiting on, that I'm going to do some upcoming organize with me videos with. So stay tuned. I hope that you guys like this. Let's go ahead and dive in. So with Ikea, the first thing I got are tea lights. If you've never gotten tea lights from Ikea, they are such an amazing deal. I think it's $3.49 for 100, and I go through tea lights like crazy because I love to burn them at night for ambiance. The next thing I got from Ikea actually was not on my list, but I saw this in store and it was the last one, and I knew it's because everybody else saw it and they wanted it as well. This is a set of 2 baskets that you can have nested into each other or separate or stacked on top of each other. And the reason why I love it is because it's totally my kind of cultural, well-traveled style, and it involves 3 colors that I use throughout my place. It has that ebony wood, that mahogany wood, and then that bamboo colored wood, which are 3 wood tones that I use throughout my entire space. So when I saw this, even though it wasn't on my list, I had to pick it up, and I took something off my list just so I can get it. I think it retailed for $24, I want to say, for a set of 2. But I'll show you in an upcoming video how I plan to style this and where I plan to make the best use of it. Okay, next up from Ikea is actually what I went there to get. And when you see these, you're gonna be like, Yuri, like really? Like, you went to Ikea just to get these? But trust me when I say I've been looking out for these for months. I think they really took off during our official quarantine because everyone was reorganizing their pantry. And so I got these bamboo lids to use in my pantry and other items. And how I'm going to use them, I think, is actually going to be really cool. It's going to be for like a mobile refill coffee station, which I will show you in an upcoming video. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see videos like that. I got 6 of these, and I got 2 more jars of these. So these are the jars that fit the circle bamboo lids. I got 2 of these and 6 lids because I already have 4 of the other jars. The next thing I got is this glass jar. Now, I actually had one of these before, but the lid broke. I think one of my friends had knocked it off of wherever it was, and the lid broke. So I've been using it for other things and not what I originally was using it for. So I'm going to be using this in my bathroom. It's going to hold all of my bath bombs, and the taller one from Ikea, those hold my bath salts. I was excited to get this again because I am off of work all this month, and I have been doing a lot of reading and bath taking, and I just want those like vibes. Okay, judge away. Next thing I got is one of these Corkin jars. Now, I do have a lot of these. I have several in my pantry, and I also use these to store different items, which you will see again in an upcoming video. And I also like to have at least one empty for random needs that I have, so I always keep the different size Corkin jars in stock. All right, last thing I got from Ikea are these tongs. Now, these came out a few months ago. They're the Pad tongs. I already had 2 of these, and when I say I reach for the 2 tongs that I have all the time, I use them every day for turning salmon, for shrimp, because I use them all the time. A lot of times they're in the sink or they're in the dishwasher waiting to be washed, and so I thought I would pick up 2 more, so I will have a total of 4. I cannot recommend these enough. If you like to cook a lot and you use long tongs for everything, when you get the short tongs, it just, I mean, it seems so simple, but this shit is good. Highly recommend. And it's only $3 for 2. No brainer. Okay, so that is it for the things I got from Ikea. Now let's dive into what I got from Target for their bedding, bath, and curtain sale. But before we get into that sale, I do want to mention I did pick up another rolling cart. I will insert a picture somewhere here to show you one that I already have that I'm using, that I'm going to be doubling up on in my storage closet. And again, in that organizing video that's coming up, you'll see how I plan to use that. Now, for the home and decor items, this is what I got. First things first, I got 2 of these pillow shams. These are from the brand Opalhouse, which is like a special Target brand. These pillow shams are gonna match the new coverlet that I got, which is right here. So this is that matching coverlet that goes with those 2 pillow shams. You may be thinking like, don't you already have white bedding? Why are you getting more white bedding? The bedding that I have on my bed now is actually from running my Airbnb, and that comforter would go inside of my duvet that I would wash in between Airbnb guests. But I got sick of taking off and on that duvet, so and that comforter looks terrible on its own. It looks really immature. So I just got a really simple coverlet, and my idea is to just keep everything nice and white, and then I'll do pops of color with different pillows and things like that that I already have. So that's the plan for that. A few more things. I got some curtains. Now I got a few different curtains. This is from the Project 62 brand, and these are a sheer curtain. These are such a gorgeous kind of like coral color, and it has a little bit of pattern in there as well. And I'm actually going to be pairing these with another curtain. So I got 2 of these, and I got 2 of these. Now these are like a creamy white curtain. These are 99% blackout curtains. So this is where the blackout is going to come in to help me sleep when I go back to work as a flight attendant next month. So I don't know if you can see this on camera, but there's a really subtle pattern that's floral. So I like that it has a little pattern, but it still looks plain enough, you know, simple enough. And I think these 2 complement each other really well. The detail that's in this blush one is a perfect match for color of this one. I don't know if the camera is picking that up or not, but I'm really happy to pair these together. So I got 2 of each to go in front of this huge window that I have in my bedroom. And let me show you what I'm gonna use to hang it. Okay. Can you see this? It's a room darkening energy efficient double curtain rod. And I picked these up in store. Now this brand is called Umbra. If you look on the Target app, the single rods have like perfect 5-star reviews. And if you look at the edge, or maybe you can see in this picture, the way that it's designed to allow you to have the curtain to go all the way to the end, and that's how you achieve the total room darkening. Now I'm gonna attempt to put this up in an upcoming decorate with me video, and if not, I'll trade it in for just a single rod and maybe return some of the curtains. But I'm really excited to see how this turns out. Last thing that I got from Target is actually from the bath section. This is a marble soap dish. Now I don't plan to use this for soap, even though that could change. I think I'm gonna use this for either a candle holder or like a temporary jewelry holder, some sort of decor piece in my bedroom. The reason why I got this is because I was taking advantage of the sale. If you didn't know this, when Target has sales, if you spend so much money, you get so much off. There's an unlimited amount of times that you can do that. So when I bought the coverlet was $60. I paid for that in 1 transaction. Then I paid for these 2 curtains, which were $19.99 each, plus this marble soap dish, which was $13. I paid for all 3 of these in 1 transaction, and I got $20 off. So the deal is spend $50, get $20 off. Same with the curtains. I paid for the curtains and the curtain rod in 1 transaction and got another $20 off. So that is kind of how I hacked the system to get as much off as I could. And I did it in 2 different Target trips, but each time I did 2 separate transactions, and the cashier was totally fine with me doing that. So if you didn't know you could do that at Target, there's a good tip for you. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's haul. I hope that was a nice, quick, sweet, and to the point video. Really hope that you've enjoyed it. I have a lot more content coming out. As I mentioned before, an organize with me, a decorate with me, even a decorate for the holidays with me. Plus some more interesting content coming your way. So please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then.